In this video, I demonstrate how to earn $50 per hour simply by watching videos, and is one of the simplest methods to earn money online. How do you go about doing it? We're about to find out. This is how you can make money watching videos from the comfort of your own home. Furthermore, just a small percentage of those who see my videos subscribe. So, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always change your mind afterwards. As a result, if I discover a new and unique way to make money online, you will be the first to discover about it and make the maximum money possible. Let's get started with the video without further ado. Let's face it, when we have nothing better to do, we all adore binge-watching Netflix and YouTube videos for hours on end. So, while we were wasting our time on it, I recently realized that simply watching videos online can earn you money. You'd have the majority of the time to choose which videos to view. I know it's difficult to believe, but consider how much cash I've already made simply watching videos. So, in today's video, I'll show you 3 legitimate websites that will pay you actual money for viewing videos, exactly like I did as a total newbie from the comfort of my own home. Now, before I tell you how to do it, let me explain how you can accomplish it. Comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. That way, I'll be able to tell you exactly where you're from, so that in the future, I can be certain that every video I make is for you. So, tell us about your country in the comments section below. Also, don't forget that I'll be providing exclusive additional advice that will help you to earn double or even triple what others are earning. So stay tuned and watch till the very end. Let's begin with the first website. GrabPoints.com is the first site on our list. And here's how the homepage would appear. On this website, you can earn money by taking paid surveys, watching videos, doing offers, and installing apps. However, because watching videos is our main subject, it is what we will be paying attention to. GrabPoints.com provides a $5 minimum payment, which is a wonderful place to start. The first thing you should do is register on this website. This is how your fresh new account will look once you've finished signing up. You'll see a sequence of surveys which you must answer in order to make money. To see more money-making options, simply scroll down. Earn Points is located on the left-hand side of the page, and it includes home, surveys, watch, and offers. All you have to do now is click on Watch to start earning. Then you'll be taken to this website, where you can learn how everything works. If you hover your cursor over these 2 possibilities, you'll see the full instructions or offer specifics. Then you may choose your preferred offer and start watching. For this video, we'll use Lootably. You'll be directed to this page after clicking Lootably, where you'll find a list of all the videos you can watch, including the points you'll get for each. As an example, we'll choose and watch a unique video. After you've chosen one, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to sign up so they can track your points and pay you. Let's go ahead and log into my account so I can show you what you'll see when you've signed up. So, there, you'll see all of the suggested videos for you to watch and learn from. You can make as much money as you like for this initial site depending on the videos you view. As a result, view as many videos as necessary to achieve the greatest results. Now we'll look at InboxDollars.com, which is the next site on our list. This is a well-known website, with a big number of people using it to earn cash by watching videos. The best thing is that you can get $5 simply for registering, which is incredible. To pay out on this platform, you'll need to accumulate $10, which is not difficult to do. Additionally, because you already have a $5 sign-up bonus, all you need to do now is earn the remaining $5 to pay them out. You can accumulate points by watching videos, taking surveys, buying, and completing cash offers, as seen above. However, we'll solely talk about getting paid to watch videos, because it's the most profitable. Let's take a look at how these websites function. You'll notice if you scroll to the bottom that businesses have to pay them for consumer input, which they obtain by recruiting people like you and me to participate in online activities like as watching movies, filling out questionnaires, and so on. We'll be paid in cash, and only cash, in return. As we continue to navigate down this page, you will discover more about how to generate money with this site. Also, the website itself contains all of the necessary information. As you can see, huge brands want people to watch brief clips of their material, such as movie trailers or new product features. They make a payment to the website, and the website shares a portion of the profits with us. As a result, it's certain that a portion of their payment will go to you, and that's how you'll earn money on this site. All you had to do was to look for the purple sign up button at the bottom of the page, click it, and you'll immediately receive a $5 welcome bonus. This is a really useful tactic for making a significant quantity of money online. And because this platform is already in existence since year 2000, it may be trusted as a legitimate money-making website. As a result, you may rely on our service to assist you in making real money online. But before I go, if you guys love this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe with notification turned on and press the like button. And if this video gets 200 likes, I'll release a fresh new video next week showing you how to make much more money online performing simple tasks like this from the comfort of your own home. Let's return to the video now. Picoworkers.com is the third app on the list. This is an excellent service to use if you're a total newbie wanting to make money online. Users on this site are doing easy activities. They might even assign you jobs that need you to watch movies online. On the other hand, whether you're looking for a quick buck, they can offer you tiny assignments that are also rather straightforward to do. As a result, you'll be able to pocket some money to your PayPal account. So, if you're looking to make your first money online, join Picoworkers immediately now, which I'm certain you'll be able to manage on your own. Picoworkers.com is the name of the website, and it enables you to choose from a variety of basic jobs to do. Simple activities such as watching videos and other such hobbies will help you achieve this. Now, in order to optimize your potential earnings, I suggest that you sign up for all three websites. Now, if you really want to make some more money, you should watch this video to learn how to earn $2,000 simply by listening to music. That is one of the most effective methods for making money online.